motherfuckers, I'm forever paid. California king, wrestle gators in that Everglade. Drive up out that motherfucking swamp in the Escalade. So before you put that red rag in your pocket, I wanna see your fucking resume. Started off on ground zero, then I start to levitate. Rip rap is a new asshole, I never hesitate. Dre beats on, smoking that chronic just to meditate. I'ma give them hurricanes until another levee break. You niggas is featherweight, I'm Aftermath's heavyweight. Now Dre's weapon to mass destruction is about to detonate. When the nigga Wack found me, shit, I was selling weight. Now a nigga selling millions, now it's time to celebrate.